Hello viewers, what I have here is a early to mid 1960s single speed 20-inch Eskimo box fan by McGraw-Edison. This one has I believe these blades are a transitional model between the older sort of square blades like this one right here. This one also has a rounded cabinet, but it has a round sort of front grille with a bezel on the front grille, on the front of the cabinet as well. This doesn't have that. This has a more normal sort of box fan grille. This has the same hub as the earlier blade as well, because this has this sort of the same motor as those. This one being 4.5 inches in width, whereas the later ones are 5-inch in width, and that's why you get a different blade hub style on the later ones. The blades on the later ones are also swooped back a little bit more than these. You can also see it's offset a little bit, whereas on the older ones it's centered. It's also got 4 rivets versus 3. This fan's in fairly decent shape, especially for the age. And the handle's still here. This is a rubber handle, a synthetic rubber handle of some kind. I put a steel strip inside of here, similar to what you get on like a guitar amp or a suitcase or something, so that the handle hopefully lasts a little longer without tearing. There's no rust on this fan. There's a little bit of surface rust here and there on the guards, but nothing terrible. It's really heavy. I'll say that. I haven't weighed this fan, but the motor in this is pretty chunky. It's pretty hefty. Also, the cabinet's very thick steel. Some of the earlier ones with the square blades, they have the motor mounted to the guard, but this one has the support braces. There's also a switch box, the switch boxes right there. But this is a single speed fan with a push button. There's what's left of the sticker. Unfortunately, I can't read the model number off of it. One of the very first all-metal box fans I ever seen was one very much like this. Although I'm pretty sure that fan probably had the square blades on it. It had the same guards, but I think it had the square blades. And if I remember correctly, I think the badge was also orange. But other than that, it was exactly the same. Same cabinet. Same guards. Same single speed push button. Anyways, here we go for the operation of this fan. I replaced the wires going to the motor on this fan. They were pretty dry rotted and terrible. I put that fiberglass sleeve on there for looks. I don't know if I'm gonna keep it in there. I probably will. But if it gets too nasty, I'll take it back out. I did not polish these blades up at all. This is how I got it. This is pretty much how I got it. Although I did clean it up a fair bit. But yeah, there's this early to mid 1960s single speed 20-inch Eskimo box fan by McGraw. See you later. Thanks for watching.